Hi,
This is Bhagyasri.
this is Sai Kiran.
We both jointly innovated this new Twinet sports concept. In this Twinet sports, we have so many indoor games and outdoor games. Now, I am going to explain an indoor game which is called as Twinets Army Indoor Game. It is a brain game which can be played by any age group. Now, I am going to explain about the Twinets Army board. In the middle, it's square in shape. On both sides, there are two triangles placed. As there are two triangles on each side of the square, this is called as twin nets. Here you can see the numbering from 1 to 37. Each player plays with 18 pebbles. For example, if he wins the toss, if he wins the toss, then if he chooses white, the player will sit this side, and if he chooses black, the player will sit here and play. Now I will explain you about the position of these white and black pebbles on the Twinets Army board. For example, my brother has won the toss and he chooses these white pebbles, then he will sit this side, and me, the black, I will sit here and play. Here from numbering 1 to 18, he will place the 18 white pebbles, and from 20 to 37, I will place here the black pebbles. 19 is the blank here. Now here you can see the exact position of these white and black pebbles on the Twinets Army board game.
I am playing with white. If there is a gap, I can move from 15 to 19 or 14 to 19 or 13 to 19 or 18 to 19. It's my choice from where I have to move, I can move. See, I am moving from 14 to 19.
Now I would like to move from 24 after killing 19 and placed 14.
You how to win a game. If I kill all the 18 black army men, I am the winner. If my sister kills all the white army men, then she is the winner. Now we will play.
See here, first white has to move. Then I have the chance of killing 19 and reaching 13. Then I have to remove this 19.
Now again I have a chance to kill black.
Now it's my turn. I would like to move from 20 to 25.
Now I will move the white 14 to 13.
Then now I have the chance to kill 19 and reach 14, and I have to remove this 19.
Now I will kill the black army man and reaches 19.
Now I'll move the 23 to 24.
And again I will move from 5 to 9.
Now I have the chance of multiple killing. First I will kill 19 and reach 14. Then again I will kill 9 and reach 5.
Now I had a chance to kill black. 2 kills 5 and reaches 9.
Now it's my turn. I would like to move from 29 to 23.
Now again I can kill. From 17 kills 23 and reaches 29.
Now I can kill from 33 kills 29 and reaches 24.
Now I will move from 18 to 17.
Now I would like to move 32 to 29.
I will move from 8 to 7.
Now I would like to move 28 to 23.
Now I will move 6 to 5.
Now I would like to move from 24 to 19.
I will move from 3 to 6.
Now I would like to move from 35 to 32.
I will move from 1 to 2.
In the end of the game, if two white and black army men are left, If anyone keeps for killing, then the opponent must kill that and he should not escape from it. For
Now-
example, if he moved from 15 to 20, then now it's my turn. I can kill this 20 and reach 15. But also I can kill this 14 and reach 13. But I should not kill. Why? Because this multiple killing applies to total game but not while 2 are left. So I leave it here only.
Now I'll kill. I had a chance to kill. Now I'll kill from 14 to 16.
And one army men are left. Those who reaches the opponent's top middle point is the winner. For example, if the black reaches the opponent's white and topmost middle place, that is 2 points, then black is the winner. And if the white reaches the black's 36 point, which is the topmost middle point, then white is the winner. Now we would like to show it.
Now I'll move from 21 to 26.
I'll move from 29 to 24.
Again I'll move from 26 to 31.
I'll move from 24 to 19.
I'll move from 31 to 30.
I'll move from 19 to 15.
I'll move from 30 to 29.
I'll move from 15 to 9.
I'll move from 29 to 33.
I'll move from 9 to 5.
I'll move from 33 to 36.
As the black reached the first, as the white reached the first to the black's 36 point, here the white army is the winner. About the multiple killing in this game. If the possibility is there, we can kill not only one but also more army men. For example, here 20 is placed in middle. 21 can kill 20 and reach 19. But again after killing, we have to remove this army men. And again 19 can kill 18 and reach 17. And we have to remove this 18. And then 17 kills 13 and reaches 9. And we have to remove this 13. And 9 kills 10 and reaches 11. As the possibility is there again to kill, 11 kills 15 and reaches 19. After killing, we have to remove that middle army men. Now I will explain you about the must and kill rule. For example, if he moved from 18 to 21, it's there for killing, but I may kill or may not kill. It's left to my choice. And again, if we keep for the second time from 15 to 20 for killing, I may kill or may not kill. But for the third time, if he keeps killing from 14 to 19, I must kill this one.
Or anyone.
In this game, there is no repetitive movements. For example, in this turn, I am moving this 23 army men to 24. In the next turn, I should not move again the same army men from 24 to 23. This is called as repetitive movements. In this game, there are no such repetitive movements. In Finet's army game, there is an another rule, which is there should be no cyclic movements in this game. For example, here the coin is there in the place 27. We can move from 27 to 22, 22 to 23. These two moves are valid, and the next move we should not move from 23 to 27. Why? Because it's going to be a cyclic triangle. That means we should not move like this. Why? Because it's going to be a cyclic triangle. And in the same way, square also. Here the coin is placed in the 29. We can move from 29 to 24. 24 to 25, 25 to 30, and the next move we should not move from 30 to 29. Why? Because it's going to be a cyclic square. And same way rectangle also. We can move from 29 to 24, 24 to 19, 19 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. These moves are valid. And the next move we should not move from 30 to 29. Why? Because it's going to be a cyclic rectangle. So in Twinets army game, there are no such cyclic movements. To tell about the Twinets army score sheet. This is the Twinets army score sheet, which is a model score sheet. First we have to enter the event name, then date, round number, venue, starting time and ending time. Here we have to mention the white chosen person's name, and here we have to mention the black chosen person's name. For example, as the white moved from 13 to 19, we have to enter it as 13-19. And then if the black wants to kill 19, he has to mention as 25 kills place. We have to write the into 25 kills 19 and reaches 13.
I'll move from 13 to 19. How to write I will show.
I also should mention it. Then now I would like to kill this 19 and reaches 13. So I have to mention 25 kills 19 reaches 13.
Now I'll move from 18 to 19.
Now I would like to kill this 19. 13 kills 19 reaches 25.
Now I will move from 9 to 13.
Now I would like to move from 20 to 19. So like this we have to enter the movements in the score sheet.